Alice bought 10 greeting cards consisting of birthday cards costing $1.50 each. So each birthday card was costing $1.5, and then also had anniversary cards costing $2 each. If the total cost of the cards was $17, find the number of each kind of card that Alice bought. So, supposing you've read the question at least 3 times and you have established what is required, then you need to state the goal. What you need, the goal is like your end result. So in this case, the goal is to find the number of birthday cards and the number of anniversary cards that Alice bought. So this is our goal, or the end result that we are required of. So remember, you have to read and understand the question. At least read it 3 times. From there, you will be able to at least get the concept or know what is required. So now that we've listed our goal, let's go ahead and establish a strategy to reach our goal. So now let us let y be equals to the number of birthday cards that Alice bought. Now remember, so if y is the number of birthday cards, remember Alice bought 10 greeting cards. That means the left cards after removing the y birthday cards will be 10. So the other cards will be 10 minus y. So 10 minus y, this will be the number of anniversary cards. Now, since the birthday cards cost $1.5 each, that means the value of birthday cards, so the value of birthday cards is the amount for each card, which is $1.5, times the number of birthday cards, so which is y, which is equals to 1.5y. And the value of anniversary cards, we were told each anniversary card costs $2. So since there are 10 minus y anniversary cards, that means we shall have 10 minus y times the number of anniversary cards. Times the value of each anniversary cards, which is $2. Therefore, we shall have 2 into 10 minus y. And we were told, so this is the value of all the birthday cards, and this is the value of all the anniversary cards. But remember, we were told that the total cost of the cards was $17. Therefore, the value of this, of the birthday cards plus the value of the anniversary cards was $17. Therefore, 1.5 y for birthday cards plus 2 into 10 minus y for anniversary cards. This all costed $17. So let us expand this. So 1.5 y plus 2 times 10 is 20. Then minus 2 times y is 2y is equals to 17. So this will be, we collect like terms. So this is 1.5y minus 2y. We get minus 0.5y plus 20 is equals to 17. So we take the 20 this side, so we subtract minus 20 on both sides, so we have minus 0.5y plus 20 minus 20 is equals to 17 minus 20. So this will be, this cancels, minus 0.5y is equals to 17 minus 20 is minus 3. So we divide both sides by negative 0.5. Also this side by negative 0.5. So this cancels out and y is equals to, so this negative cancels with a negative. 3 divided by 0.5 is equals to 6. And therefore here y is equals to 6. But remember, we said y represents the number of birthday cards. Therefore, birthday cards are equals to y, which is equals to 6 cards. Then, for anniversary cards, we said they are 10 minus y. Therefore, anniversary cards are equals to 10 minus y, which is equals to 10 minus 6, which is equals to 4 cards. So now we need to state the final statement that answers our question or that defends our goal. So our goal was to find the number of birthday cards and anniversary cards that Alice bought. So our final statement will be Alice bought 6 birthday cards and bought 4 anniversary cards. So that is how you solve for this kind of question. Yeah. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up by liking or hitting the thumbs up button. Then also kindly subscribe to this channel. It's completely free of charge. You're not charged anything for subscribing. It only helps you be notified when we post new videos, especially those of the similar kind. So kindly subscribe. It really helps me a lot. Yeah. Also share this video with your friends so that they also get to share or experience this moment. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.